So if you want to learn CATIA V5, I highly encourage you to check the playlist entitled Tips and Tricks. And over here, you can further filter this playlist. For example, over here, we have videos that will allow you how to convert an STL within CATIA and have it as a solid body, as a step file. I have two case studies. Over here, this is a converter for a helmet. And over here, this will be for Baby Yoda. And the difference will be that the Baby Yoda will have multiple parts, and we can do that for each of those. We're gonna see also specific videos for various workbenches. For example, over here regarding piping design, how to route a run. Or we're gonna see the current playlist that I'm working on will be regarding generative shape design. And we're gonna see over here how to do a disassemble, how to untrim surfaces, how to do surface simplification, and all of those will have the generative shape design icon over here, as well as the feature that will be presented within the video. So how to do a healing and so on. And if you're gonna scroll over here, we're gonna see that currently there are over 268 videos. Within my oldest video, you're gonna see various aspects regarding human design mannequin, so how to do an inverse kinematics. But also I created a series regarding digital shape editor, so how you can process STLs within CATIA. These are some of the workbenches that are not very popular, but they are very powerful. Therefore, if you want to learn how to use all of those features, I highly recommend you to give this playlist a check, because there are various aspects already presented over here. Because I receive some comments, but I usually just will give the video that I already created for that. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. I will position a similar video over here on the left side and a subscribe button to the right. Also, you can find the playlist within the video description. So that's it. Thanks for watching.